We're going to there's Keith, Jonathan, Chris, David, Susan, Shane.
Take a few pictures from the water, Adam. Yeah, and she wants to, the waves look bigger and everything, she's saying.
The waves look 10 times bigger when you're actually in the middle of them.
Oh, that's it.
What did he do?
No, he just got it right.
They're boofing it. Watch Spud is perfect with it. No.
Oh, he went a different way.
Ah, he went too far to the side.
No, he went a different way.
You might be coming over a bit more this way. Oh, that was what I did wrong. What? They're all going that way, but it's no good. You have to use cement it.
Susan.
But it's too hard to get in with.
Brian. David.
Okay. We'll run out hours, you run out shorts. Doc will go on his own boat. Me and Danny going to stay to you, Johnny. Yeah. So now I keep up for us, like, if you want to.